particularly around, obviously PPI today, which may not have much of an impact, but CPI tomorrow. Thinking about a core position like XLU or the new ETF you're using, how do you think about potentially trading around those? Because people can, really anchor on the one data point, and then they'll eventually forget about it 2 or 3 days later. But let's maybe a hypothetical CPI comes in hotter than expected.
And in that case, we're gonna probably lose money on utilities and gold. Whereas a day like yesterday, or if the PPI was leaked, which it was, and that's today's anchor of narrative for CNBC types. That's why we got paid on gold, right? And so it's like that's why you have a portfolio, right? You don't have just one thing. And the only thing I can do is buy utilities or gold on down days and sell some on up days. That's now I'll buy a lot on big down days and I'll sell a lot on big up days if I have a lot. But that's how I risk manage it. I mean, every day is an opportunity to resize your risk. So every day I'm incrementally buying and selling. Right. I try to coach it that way because that's how I play it. That's why I'd say 25 to 50 basis points of your hard-earned capital, or 0.25 to 0.5%. All the way up to 150 basis points, or 1.5% if you're swinging it around, if I am in fixed income or currencies. So, and sometimes I'll do that in equities too. So again, if the number was hawkish and the 10-year yield went to 4.11, which is the top end of the range, and utilities went down 1.5%, then utilities would go from I have it pretty close. I have most of my equity positions at my minimum right now. I'd at least double the size of the position, and I might take it all the way to the max. So I just let the market give me my opportunities, and I don't sit there and wear it when they correct.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.